Hare Krishna. Welcome back to Easy Programming by Venu Gopal. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to reverse a number using the Python coding. Let's start. Here I am creating a new file, reverse.py. And here I am writing a question, program to reverse the given number. See, for example, if I give the input 364, then output should be 463. Okay, suppose if I give two-digit number 38, output should be 83. Okay, this is what. So for this we have to write the code. So this code I am going to explain to you in two ways. One is using loop, step by step using loop. Second one is using slice operator. Two methods I am going to explain to you. See, before that, okay, if I take the first one, let's take the first using loop. Okay, so here if you use the loop here, what you to do, given number, say for example, if I take the n, okay, 364, if you want to reverse it, then what you to do, you have to divide this number with 10. Okay, once if I divide with 10, then we can separate the digits here, okay, as a reminders. Okay, so first we'll get here 4, next we'll get here 6, next we'll get here 3. Then what you to do later, so actually first number, first time you can add to one variable, for example, or you can append to one variable 4. Next time 6 will get, right, this 6 you can append to the rev, that is 6 here, right, like this. Next time we'll get 3, right, that we can append to the rev, that is what 3. See here, finally, if we give the 364, we'll get here 463. So this one, okay, we can implement this practically using the loop. So first, we'll take a number from keyboard. So n equal to int of input of enter the number. So we are taking one number from keyboard dynamically. Next, here initially we'll take one variable rev equal to 0 initially. And loop I am taking the while loop, while the condition is n not equal to 0. N not equal to 0. And here, as I said, let's divide the given number with 10. So given number, I'm dividing with 10, and this is a reminder, right? So this reminder I'm storing into one variable r. Okay, means here we are dividing the given number with 10. This will return the reminder. That reminder I'm storing into one variable r. And next, I'm taking, okay, at the same time, let's take the quotient also. So we can get the quotient how? By dividing n with 10 like this. Floor division operator. And this quotient result I'm updating to the same number or variable like this. Then rev equal to, I'm writing one formula, rev equal to rev into 10 plus r. I'll explain this. Okay. So this is what these three lines of code we are writing inside the loop. Then finally, we'll print the reverse number. Reverse number is rev. The result is available in variable rev. That's it. Save it, and first we'll check it. We'll run and check. So py reverse.py. Here I'm entering. You can enter any number. Okay, let's take 364 only. See, 364 is the input and reverse number is 463. We can enter any number. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, output is 4321. 38. 83. So how this code will work? Let me explain to you step by step. So first here, I will take a number from keyboard that is n equal to, let me take here any number, we'll take here. For example, 328 I am taking. 328 I am taking. Now, initially REB equal to 0. Okay, fine. You can keep it like this. Now, condition. While n not equal to 0. What is n value here? 328. That is not equal to 0. Condition is true. Okay. Now, here we are finding the what remainder after dividing the number with 10. So, first time. Okay. Here I will write the steps here. So, first time. Okay. We are dividing the 328 with what? 10, right? 10. Now, if we divide with 10, 10 32s are, right? 10 30, 32s are 320. Here, we have to subtract. So here we'll get what? 8. Means this is a remainder. This is a quotient. Quotient I'm storing how? Like this, right? This is a remainder, right? This is the expression I written for remainder, getting the remainder. This for quotient. That's why this quotient we are storing into variable n and remainder we are storing into r. So that is why here r will become what? 8. And then n is what here? 32. N is a 32. Okay. So n is a quotient we are finding, and that value again we are storing into the given n variable only. Okay, because next time again we have to divide this updated n 32 with 10 again. Okay, right, like that. Next, the third step, rev equal to rev into 10 plus r. So rev initially at the top you can see that is 0. So that rev equal to 0 into 10 plus r. So 0 into 10 plus r is what here right now? 8. 0 into 10 plus r. Okay, how much it is? 8 only. 0 into 10 is 0. 0 plus 8 means 8 only. That's why here finally this is 8 here. Then now the control will go back because it is a loop. It will repeat until the condition is false. Now n value is what? Last updated n value, but not this one. Okay, but not this one. Last updated n value is, see here, that is 32 here. See inside the loop, that is 32. That's why it will check with the 32 not equal to 0. Yes, that is true. Condition. 32 not equal to 0. True. Again, what you do? The 32 second time, see, second time we are dividing. Okay. The 32 we have to divide with the 10 again. With 10. Now here 10 threes are 10 threes are 30. Means here if we subtract, the remainder is 2. This is a remainder and this is a quotient. Quotient we are storing into variable n. Now again, according to this, now the r value is what here? R value is 2. R value is 2. And what is the n value? 3. We got here 3. You can observe here. Okay, quotient. Then now we can calculate this. So previous REV value is 8. That is why according to this, again this formula we have to calculate. So REV equal to REV. Previous updated REV value is 8. 8 into 10 plus current R value, that is 2. So total how much here? 8 into 10 is 80. 80 plus 2 is 82. This is what. Next, again the control will move back because of it is low. Now, what is the n value? Last updated n value is 3. Check here, 3, that is right. So that is why 3 not equal to 0. That is true. So that again, third time, okay, third time we are dividing the number 3 with again 10. Now this time 10 zeros are. So 10 zeros are 0. So that the remainder is 3, right? The remainder is 3 and the quotient is n, that is 0. Okay. Now let's substitute in this. So right now what is r value? 3. Okay, r value is 3. N value is 0. N value is 0. Now we can substitute here REV equal to, so previous REV we got here how much? 82, right? So that's why here 82 into 10 plus current R value is 3. Now this is how much? 82 into 10 is 820. 820 plus 3 is 823. 823. That's it. Now, again, the control will move back. Now, this time, what is the n value? Last updated n value we see here 0. So, 0 not equal to 0 means it is false. That's why it will terminate, means the loop will not repeat now. Then the control will jump to line 17 and here will print what? REV variable value, that is 823. The given input is 328 and the output is 823. Okay, so in this way we can reverse the number. This is the first procedure, step by step, using the loop. Next procedure, let's comment this. Next procedure is using the slice operator. It is very simple and also fast. So again here, let's take the number from keyboard. Input of, enter the number. See here, this time I'm taking the number as string format. I'm not typecasting here. Previous case we are doing the typecastings here, but here I'm not typecasting. Okay. Then after that, so print of, I am using here slice operator. Okay, I'm using the slice operator. N of colon minus 1. That's it. Or you can write a message also. Let's write a message. Reverse number is. That's it. Now see, it's very simple. Only 2 lines I written here. Save and run this. Let's enter one number. 98. See, it is 89. Once again, 697. 796 is the answer. Okay, that is what. If you want, you can convert this number into integer format later. Okay, actually I've done in 2 lines only. So here input should be string format, output also actually string format only. But if you want again later, if you want convert into integer like this, int of. If you want to convert into integer, you can convert into int like this using the int function. So this will be in int format. Or if you want, you can store into one variable. You can store into one variable. For example, rev equal to like this. Then you can print that variable here like this. You can do like this also. It depends on requirement. Now see, I'll enter the 45. Then output is 54. That's it. So in this way, we can do number in reverse. So this is what, how to make the number in reverse using 2 procedures, using the loop and also using the slice operator. So if you want live sessions of Python or Python full stack course here, I given the description, in the description box I given details here, contact details. And if you want such videos, Python or Python full stack live sessions, you can contact us. And for more such videos, you can subscribe the channel, click on bell button and like this video and share this video to your friends as well. In next video, I will come with another program. And until that, Hare Krishna.